Regulation A+ allows private companies to raise capital from everyday investors. Here is how these public offerings actually function. Often called a mini IPO, this rule lets companies bypass the heavy costs of a traditional stock market listing. Since the 2021 updates, companies can raise up to $75 million annually from the general public. Unlike private placements, these offerings are open to everyone, regardless of your net worth or income level. Tier 1 is capped at $20 million, but Tier 2 offers higher limits in exchange for stricter ongoing financial reporting. Limits have steadily increased over the last decade, reflecting the SEC's push to democratize access to private growth capital. Remember that even if a company is SEC qualified, these shares are often not as liquid as stocks on the major exchanges. Regulation A+ is a complex space, so always read the offering circular before committing capital. Subscribe for more money basics.